Hello bachchon, let's read the question. The question says 2-phenyl ethanol may be prepared by the reaction of phenyl magnesium bromide with option A HCHO, option B CH3CHO, option C CH3COCH3, option D ethylene oxide. Now the key concept of this question is that phenyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent, and when Grignard reagents react with formaldehyde, they produces 1 degree alcohol. When aldehydes other than formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, they produces 2 degree alcohol. And when Grignard reagents react with ketones, they produces 3 degree alcohol. And the given required product is 2-phenyl ethanol. This is ethanol, and on 2 we have phenyl group. So 2-phenyl ethanol we need to produce. Here we can see that 2-phenyl ethanol is 1 degree alcohol. So now let's check the solution. First of all, reaction with phenyl magnesium bromide we consider with formaldehyde. We can write the formaldehyde like this. The electrons will go on oxygen, as oxygen is more electronegative. So the metal is positive in Grignard reagent and carbon is negative. So the positive part will attack on the oxygen and the negative part will attack on the carbon. So we will get like this OMGBr, H and pH. Upon hydrolysis, it will give pH CH2OH. That means the OMGBr is converted into OH group. This is the whole process happens when Grignard reagent reacts with the aldehydes. So this is 1-phenyl methanol, not ethanol. Now if PHMGBr reacts with acetaldehyde, then in that case CH3 CHOMGBr, and here will be the pH group, and on hydrolysis we will get pH CH CH3OH. That means 1-phenyl ethanol, not 2-phenyl ethanol. 2 degree alcohol is formed as other than formaldehyde is acting. Now with acetone, when it will react with PHMGBr, the same process will happen. The carbon of the CO group will have positive charge, on that pH will be attached, and on the carbon OMGBr will be there, which on hydrolysis get converted into OH group. So here we will get 3 degree alcohol, which is 2-phenyl 2-propanol or propane 2-ol. And in the last we have given ethylene oxide. Ethylene oxide can also react with PHMGBr. Here suppose this bonds breaks like this, so pH will go on this carbon and MGBr will go on the oxygen. So we will get pH CH2 CH2 OMGBr. Upon hydrolysis, it will convert into pH CH2 CH2OH. That means 2-phenyl ethanol. So this is our desired product. That means we got our desired product on the reaction with ethylene oxide. So the correct option is option D. Hope you understood the solution well. Thank you.